What sets us apart from other realtors is that we're design forward. What that means is that we sell with style. We prepare the home with our visual marketing. We go in, we professionally clean the home, we professionally stage it, and then we go in and do the HD photography and a 3D walkthrough. Then once we have the buyer in hand, we also provide them a 1-year home warranty. We do all of that because we don't want our sellers to worry about a thing. We cover all of the costs complimentary for our 5-star plan, and then our buyers can move into it, move in ready, and not have to worry about it being as is. This process is very important for the sellers to improve the aesthetics of their home through my 5-step plan. This way, the buyers can visualize themselves moving in, and they'll actually pay more money when it comes time to purchase because they see the value in what we've done for them. Once we started recognizing that visual marketing is more important to getting more money, then I came up with this plan. And so now I know it works. We've sold more homes last year than we previously sold just by implementing this plan for our sellers. So if you're ready to sell your house, the next step would be to give me a call, have me out, walk through the home. I'll give you some advice on what needs to stay, what needs to go, and then from there, we'll just simply get your home onto the market and get it sold. So whenever you're ready, just give me a call and I'll be ready to help you.